So this is how to edit videos using the Kinemaster. So I use Kinemaster in editing videos, and we can use that for uploading asynchronous video lessons in science. So you must have the app in your cell phone. So we use the Kinemaster. So it should be in landscape. You select this button here. Select 16:9, 16:9 aspect. Then select the media that you want to edit. So say for example, I only have to select one media. Example, this one. Then check. So we play.
So our lesson for today is about simulating typhoon. So we all know that every year the Philippines is visited by typhoon.
So we select another media. Select natin yung this one. Tingnan natin. Let us see. Click check.
Morning class. Today our lesson is all about simulating typhoon. But before we can perform the activity, we have to prepare our material. So we are going to make a typhoon simulator. We need the following materials. We have two 1.5 PET bottles, scissor, we have the cap, bottle cap. We make it sure that there are holes at the center of the cap. Then we have electrical tape. But you can use any tape. You can use scotch tape, black tape, and others. Then we have 1 liter of water. And we have colored sand. You can also use dye, colored dye. And another recommendation is flour. You can use flour because we have flour at home. So we are now ready to prepare our simulator. So we already have the bottles here. The first thing that we are going to do is we have to join the bottle caps, the two bottle caps. I think I need an assistant.
Say for example, you want to remove that part. So you get the scissor and you trim at the right of the playhead. Click that one, then check. Now, if you want to remove, say for example, I want to remove the first video. I'm going to delete. Here the trash.
So we are going to make a typhoon simulator. We need the following materials. We have two 1.5 PET bottles, scissor, we have the cap, bottle cap. We make it sure that there are holes at the center of the cap. And we have electrical tape. But you can use any tape. You can use
So there you have it. If it's already okay with you, and if you want to place an audio, yan, lagyan natin ng audio. Mamili tayo dyan ng audio. Ipi-play muna natin. We play the audio. Select another. I think that's better. Plus. No, mali. O, lagay natin doon sa first slide. Sa unahan ng slide. Bago natin ilagay yung audio. Xon. Plus, ayan, add natin. Then, we trim the audio kasi masyadong mahaba yung audio. I-trim natin hanggang doon. And there. Then, click check. Ayan. Play natin. Ibaba natin yung sound. I-trim natin yung sound. Dapat hindi niya ma-overpower yung voice natin. So, lagay lang natin na 20. Then, click check again. Then, play. Pwede pa natin ulit ibaba yung music. Since lecture naman itong ginagawa natin. Or pwede rin na wag na natin lagyan ng music kasi nag-lecture tayo. You can also remove the music. Lagay lang natin siya ng 10. Para hindi masyadong marinig. Pwede naman nating alisin yung music since gumagawa tayo ng lecture. We remove the music. Alisin na lang natin yung music. Then, pag okay na lahat yan, then, pwede na nating i-upload yung ating video. If it's already okay with you.